Hey, what's up everybody? It's your girl Ktura Kay. I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to be doing a try on / review of my new Savage X Fenty box. So I just signed up for their VIP membership, so I'm really excited to show you all what I got. So if you're interested in watching, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and that bell to be notified when I post new videos. So without further ado, let's get started. So I have my box here and we're going to go ahead and open it up. It's packaged really nicely. It has a really pretty, it's a really cute pastel pink box, and in the inside it's like a pastel purple color. And of course it has the Savage X Fenty logo in a like rose gold tone. So let's open it up. This is their Tutti Frutti Extra VIP box, and it was $49.95. So I got all of this stuff for $49.95. I really can't believe it. So the quality is amazing because this is not my first time ordering. It's been a few years, but still it's not my first time. But I signed up for the VIP, the extra VIP membership, and I'm a huge Savage X Fenty fan. I'm always on the site, but most of the time when I'm shopping for stuff, they never have my size. So I was like, let me jump on this box and go ahead and get it. It's super cute, fun, and colorful, and just what I love. I love stuff like this. So like I said, I got the Tutti Frutti Extra VIP box. So I'm really excited. So let's go ahead and open her up and see what's inside. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this. This is a little envelope, and it says Savage X Fenty Nip Slip. So these are their Tutti Frutti Pineapple Pasties. So I thought these were super cute online, and they go really cute underneath, you know, the bodysuit. If you don't want to show any like nipple, you don't have to. You can always put these on, and this is what they look like. So they're really pretty pineapples. These look so cute underneath the other item that I have in here. You'll see it. You can wear them by themselves, you know, if you want to, you know, do something a little cute. Hopefully I get to wear it sometime. You never know. But yes, so this is what the pineapple pasties look like. So next we have the Tutti Frutti embroidered high leg open back bikini. This is so sexy. I saw this on the model, and like the back is, let me show y'all the back. The back is open, so your legs go through the sides, and this is the back. So it's going to give you a little bit of, you know, a little lift, you know, and it's open in the back. So I think that's really cute. They have a really pretty metal piece here, and it's a pineapple. Has like a colorful finish to it. It's metallic with different colors. So you can tell the quality of this stuff is amazing. Like, look at that. And it has really cute pineapples on the front. And the rest is mesh. A little action in the back, honey. And it's ruched. It highlights, you know, your curves, and I love ruched stuff. So it has a nice little ruche in the back. So too cute. Last but not least is the Tutti Frutti embroidered tulle and vinyl teddy. So this is it. I got everything in a size medium. I probably should have gotten a small, but you know, I like to get mediums just in case, because you never know. I'd rather have something be a little bit bigger than too small and just uncomfortable, you know what I mean? So I got a medium just to be on the safe side, but I've been working out like crazy, so you know, but the medium still fits really nice. I haven't tried on the underwear or anything like that, so I tried this one on just to make sure, because I'm like, this is the star of the show, okay? So I did try it on, but it was very brief. I just slipped it on and slipped it right back off because I wanted to do the unboxing with you all. So this is what it looks like. It also has that really cute mesh finish here with the pineapples embroidered here. So you can put the pasties underneath because it does, you know, give a little show here. So you put the pasties underneath, and that's how the models have been rocking it on the site. So you don't have to, but you know, I'm sure the pasties won't stick every time you want to wear this, but if you wear it more than once, so you never know. So you can just wear it by itself if you'd like, you know, for your man, or you know, just to be sexy and cute. You know, you don't have to put the pasties underneath. And my sister was like, the pasties don't really match, the colors don't really match, but it still, you know, gives a tropical vibe. So, you know, it doesn't have to really like be matchy. So I love this. It's nice and shiny, super cute. And let me show y'all the back. Let's see, I could have took the tags off because I already know this one fits, but I don't know about the underwear. But everything else is mesh here in the back as well. Has a low cut back, and it also has a little pineapple here. I'm gonna show you all what it looks like on me. Back is like a thong. It goes, you know, in there, and you know, you're cheeky, so it gives you a nice little cheeky vibe. Really sexy. I love that it has a little zipper as well, so you know, easy to slip on, easy to slip off, and I love it. So overall, I would definitely give this box an A+. Like, for $49, you really can't beat this, considering this alone is on the site for like 70, I think it was like 70 something dollars if you're not a VIP member. And even if you are a VIP member, I think it was like $59 alone. So I got a great deal. For $49.95, I got all of this stuff, and I love it. So hopefully I'm going to link everything down below. This is not sponsored. I'm just, you know, giving you all my honest opinion, and I love lingerie. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and that bell to be notified when I post new videos. And let me know down below if you'd like to see more unboxings and try-ons here on my channel, and I will definitely keep them coming. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.